That's the oceanic whitetail, people. You rare see those. Really?
Oh my God, look at that face! Yes! Come over here, Leash. Oh my God. Oh my God. It's raining too, so I don't know how much they can see.
I was so hoping it'd be a yellowfin.
Wow, that's a big shark.
I gotta tie that finger off. He's not even fighting. Fine. Yeah, he's going out. I don't want him in the boat.
Do they stink?
He's got like eyes. Do they stink?
Yeah, do they
smell
like
get
the
down there and
barracuda?
smell him?
Hey, get a
Hell
picture.
no.
You got your video of this?
Yeah, it's videoing, dear.
Yeah. Oh yeah. Look at that.
Oh yeah.
Oceanic white tip. See the white tips on his fin?
Oh my God, this is amazingly cool. Anybody getting a picture? Ouch, because I'm just getting video. Take a picture while you're recording.
Something that got that.
Yeah, if you get down in the, open up this door.
Look at those teeth.
Are you videoing it?
I am.
Alright.
Yeah. Look in there, there should be a Ziploc tank with a
Wow. You're touching the shark, Alan?
I know.
Yeah, as long as he doesn't get it in his mouth.
Alicia, you want to go touch it? Go rub his
Wow,
back.
it's like sandpaper.
Yeah.
I want to feel it.
Okay, buddy.
Oh, maybe it's just laying in there.
Yeah, it is.
Oh, okay. Yeah. Take those out.
Hey, Alan, touch it again.
Huh?
Touch it again.
Grab his fin. Okay. So I want you to get down there.
Man, that is all the way through him.
Actually, yeah. I just want to put it in the line.
Whoa! That water came over the front.
He'll live.
Did you get the hook out or did you cut it?
I cut it. No way I was going to get that.
Well, mystery solved. It was a shark.
Okay,
How long did it take to get him in?
okay, so
That was what, about 45 minutes, guys?
An hour to land him.
An hour.
Took us an hour to land him, baby.
Wow.
not that often you catch that shark right on the lure. Yeah, you know? Well, he thought it was a fish.
Yeah, I guess so.
Yeah.
Oh, all right.